I'll show you how to convert currencies in your Wise account. I'm assuming you've got a Wise account set up already. If you don't, I'll leave a video going through how to do that down in the description below. But we need some money in our account, and then we can FX it into the other currency. There's two ways to do this. The first is to manually transfer money into your Wise account, so you have it there, and then you can easily do an FX into any other currency. Or if you're using your phone and you have the Wise app and your banking app, you can link the two apps together, and Wise can draw money out of your bank at the same time as doing the FX. So you just have to tell Wise which currency that you actually want. So if you want to add money manually into your Wise account, then you need to make a bank transfer first. So go to account details. With the card in the middle here, down at the bottom, it says account details. Choose the currency that you want to add in. Now for me, my local currency is pounds, but your local currency might be dollars or euros or anything else. You can just do a local transfer, which should be most of the time free and basically instant. So I'm going to get my British pound details, and I'm going to do a local draw from my bank and then put that in my Wise account. These are my Wise bank account details. So I can go into my bank manually, make a withdrawal to these details, then I would have my local currency to transfer into the other currency. If you've transferred money in manually, then the money should be in your account now in your local currency. What you can do is very easily change this into a foreign currency. Go to your main account. So this card in the middle where it says main account, just press that. For me, my main account is pounds, but you may have a different currency. So I've now got a balance of £10. Just press convert in the middle here. And it says you've got a balance of £10. What do you want to transfer it into? Down at the bottom, we can press any of the currencies, USD. I have my main account here, £10, for example. That's going to change it into US dollars. And it gives me the exchange rate up at the top. It also says down at the bottom that the fee that I'm paying is 3 pence. And so you can just press review and confirm. That will change whatever currency you have into the one that you want. That's the manual way to do things. But if you have your banking app on your phone, you can actually link Wise to your banking app, and they can automatically draw money out of your banking app without you having to do any transfers. You can also do the FX at the exact same time as well. To do that, we're going to press add money at the top. And then from here, Wise is going to take you through the process of adding some money into your account. So it's going to default to your local currency. So for me, that's pounds. So if I show you here, it says you want to add £10 and you're going to pay with your local UK account. Down at the bottom, in the UK, there's no fees for faster payments. It's free and instant. So you should get it instantly. But what you have to do is link Wise to your banking app. So right here, it says paying with and my bank. On the right-hand side, I'm going to press change just to show you these options. You want to press bank transfer here, and you'll see that it just gives you a list of the banking apps that you might want to pay with. So I'm going to press continue. So choose whichever bank that you're with. If you have the banking app on your phone, it's going to open your banking app. You have to log in. You have to choose the account where you want to draw the money from and link the two accounts. Once you've linked your accounts, Wise can draw money out of the account without you having to do anything else. You can stay within the Wise app, just press OK. So once that's linked, then you can actually go and draw the money. Now, what I'm going to do is go back here, press add money again, because I'm going to do the FX at the exact same time. I can't show you the process of actually taking the money out of the account. It won't let me record the screen for safety reasons. But what we're going to do on the left-hand side is instead of transferring in pounds, I'm going to press this. I actually want dollars in my Wise account. So I'm going to press dollars here, and I want $10 and press done. You'll see that I'm paying in pounds because pounds is my local currency. So I'm going to pay in pounds from my bank account. I'm paying with my bank account here, already linked to my Wise. Wise are going to draw that money directly out of my bank. Down at the bottom, it says that you pay 2 pence in fees, and the exact amount that is being taken from my bank is £7.57. The reason is they're going to deposit $10 in my account. So what's going to happen here is Wise is going to link with your bank. It's going to draw the exact amount out of your bank. It's going to pay the fees and do the foreign currency exchange. And then in your Wise account, you'll actually get the currency that you want, which for me is $10. I'm going to press continue here. It's already linked with my bank, so the transfer method. And of course, you can't see this because it's going to be blocked. But essentially what this is asking me to do is confirm that I want to take this money out of my bank account. You can confirm it, the currency account that you want to take it out from. So I'm paying in local currency, and when Wise does a transfer, it's going to end up as $10 in my Wise account. Once you have the foreign currency in your account, you can send it via an international transfer, or you can just keep it in your account to use with your Wise card as well when you're spending in different countries. I'll leave a full guide to Wise down in the description if you need it. I'm James, it's Money's EG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.